lights, they shine so bright in the dim glow of the night. Walking streets, I feel the beat, rhythms in my heart so sweet. Echoes of the past I hear, sultry saxophone.
Doing?
Right?
Cooking on the wood stove.
We're kicking on the wood stove. I'll show them outside.
So what?
Let me show them outside. Show them outside.
Put on the front.
Spooky. She's so spooky outside. So spooky.
Raindrops tap on window panes, washing all my cares.
Hi. You ready to laugh at your daughter? I'm out of power, right? But we got the wood stove. You're over here wanting some hot chocolate and some cheese quesadillas.
Oh shit! Yep, didn't see it. Didn't smoke it.
I got the magic powers.
Good. Then you'll get you to go. It is the second day of a snowstorm. It is 12 degrees and I'm so cold. Ugh. Here's the aftermath. The sun is finally out. That's from yesterday. We have the wood going. So yay. My throat's really sore. So sorry about that. This is the layout.
Raindrops tap on window panes, washing all my cares and pains. Melodies from years ago, in my heart they softly glow. Turn the record, let it play, feel the warmth of yesterday. So for rhythms in the night,
I'm Superwoman. I've got the strength.
You got the strength. Good job, Bestie. Be cold outside. Okay, so it is still day 2, but it is like 5:30-ish. Yeah, I just woke up from a nap. Thinking about taking another one because I'm still kind of tired. But yeah, so here's what it's looking like. Still icy, still cold. Trees everywhere. We walked back over there and it was just gone. It is supposed to get down to 7 degrees tonight. It's supposed to be the coldest out of all of it. So, wish me luck. Let's go. Let's go back outside. We blocked that off too, just to kind of keep the warmth in here. And then the door over there is shut. So yeah, this is our camp out, I guess. Got our wood stove going. Yeah.
play, feel the warmth of yesterday. So for rhythms in the night, make the world feel just right. Underneath the neon skies, simple joys, no need for light.
Okay, so this is day 3. I think it's day 3. And I'm in a hotel room now. So that's fun. My boss actually had called me in today and was like, hey, if you can come into work, I'll give you a room. So there's that. And it's by myself. My friend didn't want to come with me, so it's just me in here. I'll give you a little tour. I'm in my PJs because I just took a shower, but yeah. So 2 beds. That's cool. We got a little TV. I just put something on. I'm making me some food. Yeah. This is my little setup. Here's my bag. Some girl stuff, snacks, books, and all that jazz. Cups. I also got some sweet tea too. That's in the fridge. That's all I have in the fridge. My other stuff is down in the lobby fridge because there's no. I thought there was a freezer in the fridge, but there's not. It's just the fridge, you know. So that's fun. My hamper, a little laundry section, I guess. I'm trying to be quiet because I don't know if other people can hear me. And then we have this little bathroom. Like I said, I just took a shower, so yeah. Coffee thing. They don't need coffee though. They have coffee downstairs. But yeah, how fun is that? Ooh. Ooh. Hello everyone. It is the next day and I did not sleep very good. I'm just gonna say that right there. But yeah. Other than that, it's okay. It's really quiet. I didn't have any annoying neighbors, so that was good. And yeah, I'm debating on walking across the street to Dollar Tree, but I also don't really want to get out in the cold. So there's that. But yeah, okay. There's my little updates. I may or may not have work until 5 today, so I'm just here in the room until then. But if I don't have work until 5, then I'll probably need to go in at 12. So we'll just see. It depends on if my coworker can come in today. And yeah. So we'll see how it happens. If it does, I may go down there and hang out with her for a bit. And yeah. May see if she wants to have a sleepover or something. Because it was pretty lonely last night. I don't know. I'm used to my cats like being in the bed with me and stuff. This is not a pretty angle. Oh my gosh. And then it was really nostalgic. I woke up and the old channel Boomerang was on, and I was like, oh. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave that on and stuff. Okay, so I just got back up to my room. I didn't want to record because there were people down there, but I did get me some coffee. So yay for that, because I was wanting some coffee. I'm debating on going to the grocery store across the street because I didn't pack any breakfast food. But I don't really usually eat breakfast food, so I don't know what I want to do. I can't open it with one hand. I'm gonna put you down for a second. We're gonna try this. I just put random stuff in there. Some good coffee. Word. So good. But yeah. Okay. Okay, so I decided to do a little life update because I haven't really posted in a while. And I figured why not do one? Okay. Okay, so I guess the first things first. I think the last time I uploaded a video, I was at my mom's house, and I was with I think so. I have to go back and look. But yeah, so I was there, and yeah, a lot has happened. I moved out, and I moved in with my friend who you seen earlier in the video. My mom and I kind of got into a little argument, and it just didn't end well. I have been making amends with her, so we're doing good. We're doing good now anyway, so that's good. We're still kind of keeping space from each other, so that's okay. And yeah, so that's cool. I don't think I mentioned anything about a minivan. I did have a minivan, but I eventually sold it, and then I got a new car, so there's that. And then yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm pretty sure that I think that's just pretty much it. I'm trying to be quiet because I don't want to be too loud. I know these walls are probably soundproof, but like, so it's weird. I don't know. Hotels be weird. But yeah, so that's the small update on Hotel. Is my boss. He's literally like the sweetest person ever. The people that own it are Hindu, and they're really sweet. They're just really kind. And yeah, during the ice storm, he said that my coworker couldn't come in, and he was wondering if I can come in. If I can't, that's completely okay. He understands the conditions of everything. And I was like, I can try to come in. And I made it, and he was like, cool, I can give you a room. That way you don't have to go back and forth. And I was like, cool. But he did anyway, so yeah. Anyway, I don't know what else to say. There's not much to do, so I don't know if I'm going in at 12 today because that's my coworker's shift, or if I'm going in at 5 today, which is my actual shift for today. And then tomorrow, my shift is I got scared. I thought someone was trying to open the door. I was like, oh. Glad I locked it. So fun. I'm glad I locked it. Yay. Anyway, but yeah, so it's just really sweet. So, okay, so update. My coworker's on her way, so I don't go in until 5 today. So I guess we're just gonna hang out here. Okay, so I'm back down. We're back in my room, and I'm making lunch because I'm hungry. Good morning, everybody. It is day 5 of the winter snowstorm, and yeah, we still don't have power at the house. I just messaged my friend, and she said there's still no power over there, so that's fun, I guess. But the roads are clear enough to drive on, so she's gonna bring my car over here. So whenever I'm ready to leave the hotel or something, I can just drive whenever I need to. And I don't have to worry about walking because the ice is still like, I mean, it's still slippery outside and I don't want to fall. So there's how it's looking outside. So yeah. So hopefully when they bring my car over, I can go to the store later and get a couple more things. Because I plan on staying until Sunday because I'm off Monday. Okay, so I just got back from the store and my friend finally brought my car over. So yay, and that they get it safely. So thank you. And then I didn't pack breakfast foods. I just got meals and stuff, which I don't really eat breakfast much, but yeah, I don't know. I got some mini donuts because I've been craving donuts lately. I don't know why, but I have. And then I got some peach tea, some hot dogs, 2 of these cheese wraps, the breakfast wraps. So yeah, so I think now that I'm pretty good, I'm probably gonna be staying until Sunday, so, or at least Monday morning. I probably will leave Monday morning just so I can go home and see my cats and stuff like that. So yeah, and then I don't go down to the lobby until 4 today. It's like 2 something, so I have a good hour to just kind of relax. I've been downstairs hanging out with my coworker, and yeah, so she said she might get a room here, so that's gonna be kind of cool. What is up, you guys? So I didn't really record much because it's just been kind of like the same old routine. But I do have an update. My county has been almost restored back to normal, and I'm really excited. We still don't have power at the house, at my friend's house, but that's okay.
Raindrops tap on window panes, washing all my cares and pains. Melodies from years ago, in my heart they softly glow. Turn the record, let it play, feel the warmth of yesterday. Soulful rhythms in the night, make the world feel just right. Underneath the neon skies, simple joys, no need for lies. In this lo-fi soulful dream, life is more than what it seems.